Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here working on my beach themed projects, and I thought for the next thing I would make some charms out of beach glass. And so some of this is beach glass that somebody had given to me, and then some of it is the beach glass that I've actually found at the beach. I'm going to be using the wire that I had gotten last year at Christmas time at Michael's, and they do have it. They've been putting it up. It's where the wreaths are. So it's wreath wire for wrapping wreaths. So we are going to go ahead and make some charms. I'm going to use a couple of my jewelry tools. I have my round pliers, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to start by making just a round little piece. Okay, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to cut 9 inches ish. Okay, now this one is just going to be the glass. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap the glass just like that, just wrapping it around. Then I'm going to come through my little circle, okay, and I'm going to wrap around that through my circle, okay, and I'm just wrapping around it, and then I'm going to come back down and find a place that I can come back under. Okay, I'm going to pinch it, turn it, and grab it. Okay, so I'm going to pinch it again. Okay, so I have a little just piece of beach glass there. Okay, now another way is to add a pearl, because you know pearls are found at the ocean. I'm using the white because I think the white is just gonna look better than the flashy gold with this. I should show you the paper pad that I'm using. Okay, for this one I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have the bead be the bottom, the pearl, and I'm gonna cut this shorter. Okay, I'm gonna twist it. I'm holding it with the pliers and twisting it with the pearl. It's a plastic pearl, so hopefully it'll stay together. Okay, so there's that. And come up and cut it about 8 or 9 inches. Come back and find myself another piece. I really like this turquoise piece. I don't know if I can get it to... I'm going to go up the turquoise piece, across the top, back down. I'm going to go around the little, oh, I don't like that. Okay, come back down. Okay, might not have made this long enough, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to come back up, and yeah, I probably didn't. It's going to have a little, but that's okay. It just needs enough to get there we go. So we have one with the pearl. Okay, and I think that's kind of fun because, you know, pearls and the ocean, right? You find pearls in the ocean. Okay, and then you can just attach these to, I don't know if I have any left. Hopefully you can use one of these awesome fishing lure spinner thingies that Georgia sent me. Or if you have a bulb pin, which is the pin that looks like a bulb, you can do that. I don't have any. But you can also attach it to a paper clip. So you can attach it to a paper clip, and that could be your paper clip charm. I think these are really kind of fun. So, glass charms, and if you're using this kind, you can go ahead and just open it and stick it on the end. Okay. The other thing that when I was making it, I was like taking a smaller pearl. Oh, not yellow. Okay. And you know what? This would be better with a finding that has a stopper on it. Even though they're silver, it's okay. 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 You could go ahead and wrap a piece of glass to this even. Or two pieces. That'd be really heavy. But you can go ahead and wrap a piece of glass onto it. Okay, so this one I'm going to go ahead and start, but I want it to come through this one. So the pearl will be a dangle hanging along with the piece of wired glass. Okay, so I have it's going through the top circle. Okay, and get it to here, and then you can hold it, pull it towards you, and there. so we have the little bead hanging off. I don't know what the string is. Okay, we have this little, fix this. So again, wiring glass to be some of your dangles and things for your beach paper crafting. I think that it's going to be really a lot of fun. Put that in the trash. So that is my video for today. Wiring pieces of beach glass to use in your projects. We have this rectangle. Okay, so which piece of glass is your favorite? There's a piece of green. I know somewhere I have from Catalina. Oh, you know what? It's actually in my scrapbook. So wouldn't it be cool for a travel journal if you're going someplace and you could actually, there I go, use the beach glass that you've picked up on your vacation and turn it into charms and use it in your journal, and it was, you know, pieces that you actually picked up yourself. I think that that would be awesome. So if you have any comments or questions, please put them below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.